Hello there, this is Professor Grover, and today I am going to tell you all you ever wanted to know about taking a bath. And I know everything about taking a bath because, well, I take one every single day. Yeah, it is very important to take baths because, well, that is how you keep your fur bright blue and squeaky clean. Now, there are two things, count them, two things you need when you take a bath. First of all, a bathtub, which I have plenty of surrounding me right here. See, this is a bathtub right here. And the second thing you need is some of this cleaning stuff here, which is called, what is that called? Oh yeah, soap. This is a bar of soap. Those two things are what you need to take a bath. Okay? Now, all you have to do is rub this soap all over your body like this. Maybe you start with your neck right here. Just rubber. See, that's one place you can clean. Maybe your tummy next. Rubber. Maybe your nose you could clean too. Like that. Just rub your nose with a soap. Yeah. Maybe your cheek. Yeah, you could clean your cheek in the tub. Right there. Isn't that nice? You can clean your arm here, see? Right here. Right by the elbow there. My arm gets a little dirty there. Right there. And even your shoulder right here. It's hard to find my shoulders because they're a little weak. I am not that strong, but I am wiry. And entree.
Oh, good, Grover, dear.
Oh, Mommy. Hi, Mommy.
I see that you are ready for your bath, dear.
Well, no, Mommy. I'm not ready for my bath. I am taking a bath, Mommy. Yeah, see? I have my bathtub and my soap. The two necessities of bathing.
But, Grover, dear, you cannot take a bath with your hat on. It will get wet.
Wet? Well, how will it get wet, Mommy?
Well, dear, it will get wet from the water. You see here?
Water?
There, yes, dear.
Water. As I was saying, there are three things you must have in order to take a bath. Oh, I am so embarrassed.